Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we dive into a common problem that many people encounter when learning about HTTP protocols. The problem at hand is understanding the relationship between HTTP and connection-based transport protocols, such as TCP. It can be confusing to grasp how HTTP functions without the need for a predefined connection, so let's delve deeper into this issue. One key aspect of the solution to our problem lies in the fact that although HTTP relies on the TCP standard for its reliability, it does not actually maintain per connection state. This means that HTTP requests will behave consistently regardless of whether they're sent over a single TCP connection or multiple connections. In essence, HTTP only requires the underlying transport protocol to be reliable, not necessarily connection-based. Understanding this distinction clarifies why HTTP can function over different types of transport protocols. Solution aside, it's worth noting that there are scenarios where HTTP can operate without the need to establish a connection over a transport protocol before sending a request. This flexibility stems from the nature of HTTP, which does not maintain connection-level state. As a result, HTTP can adapt to various transport methods, including those that do not involve explicit connect or disconnect operations. This adaptability showcases the versatility of HTTP as an application-level protocol. In summary, we've explored the intricate relationship between HTTP and connection-based transport protocols, shedding light on how HTTP operates without maintaining per connection state. Understanding this concept can deepen your knowledge of network protocols and their interactions. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Who knew HTTP could be so fascinating, right?